Hi everyone. Have you ever heard the saying, the foot feels the foot when it feels the ground? It sounds a bit funny, right? But today, we're going to explore what it really means and why it's so cool. This saying is all about paying attention. Imagine every time your foot touches the ground, it learns something new about where you are. Whether it's grass, sand, or a cool puddle, each step can tell you a lot. This idea is part of something called mindfulness. Mindfulness is like a superpower that helps us notice what we're doing right this second. It's about living right here, in the moment, without worrying about yesterday or tomorrow. When you're mindful, you really zoom in on what's happening around you. Like when you walk, think about how each step feels on the ground. Is it soft? Is it ticklish? This not only makes your walk more interesting, but also helps you enjoy the little things in life. But why should we care about feeling our feet? Well, when we pay attention to the little things, like the ground beneath our feet, we learn more about the world and ourselves. It shows us how everything we do is connected to everything around us. It's like being part of a big puzzle. Every piece needs to fit just right to see the whole picture, and every little thing we notice helps us understand how we fit into the big world around us. So next time you're walking, try to feel each step. Notice how it makes you feel and what you can learn from it. You might find out something exciting about your journey or just make your regular walk a little more fun. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures. Keep exploring, and remember, every step is a chance to learn something new.